Hi friends, let me show you this new Syncwire portable inflator air pump. It is great because you can have it with you in your car and you will be able to inflate your car tires or bicycle, motorcycle, sports equipment, any kind of use that you can think where you need air to be pumped to inflate something, okay? Let me show you. Get a carrying bag. These are the accessories. A USB-C cable to charge it. It is rechargeable. Some accessories, caps for your tires, inflating valve. Extra accessories to inflate balloons, balls, everything that you can think you can inflate with an air pump like this. And this is the special hose to connect to your tires. You also, of course, get a user manual, okay? This is the actual user manual. As you can see, you have different connectors here, okay? You can use it as an external battery. It has a USB output. You have the Type-C input. You have a light. You have the connector for the tires hose. The hose goes here. Okay, has a protective cap, and this is where you can hold the hose to keep it tightly when you are going to store it away. Okay, let's turn it on. Here it is, okay? It has a car mode. It has a PSI preset, the pressure you want the tires to go to. This is the actual tires pressure, okay? This is a motorcycle mode, bicycle mode, sports equipment mode, and this is a custom mode that you can program with any specification that you require. Okay, we're going to use the car mode. We are going to set it to 35 PSI. Okay, you have a light here. If you need a light, if it's not in the night, if you're in the middle of the road and it's dark, you can use this as an emergency light, like that, or just like a flashlight, okay? Let me show you. So when you need to inflate your tire, you just connect this as you will with any air hose, and you will get the actual tire pressure. It's 32.5, okay? So you want to inflate it. And the pressure of the tire will be going up, as you can see. And it stops automatically when it reaches the desired pressure, so that's great. Okay. When you're ready, you can put your tire valve cap again, or if you like them, you could use the provided ones, change them. These are metal caps, so if you want, you could use these ones instead, okay? So, well, this is a must-have in your car. It's great to bring it with you. You know the energy that is left in the battery. You can change the pressure unit. We use PSI, so we're gonna leave it like that. And you have also the possibility to use this as an external battery for an emergency, okay? So, great accessories, great option for your car. Thank you.